What's the meaning of confusable? Confusable. Confusable.
Confusable. Confusable. Confusable means something that is easily mistaken for something else or causes confusion. It can refer to words, phrases, or objects that have similar appearances, sounds, or meanings, making them difficult to differentiate from one another. This confusion can lead to errors in communication or understanding. For example, the words accept and accept are commonly confusable because they sound alike and have similar spellings but have completely different meanings. Being aware of confusables is crucial in preventing misunderstandings and ensuring accurate communication.